We are pleased to show you the 2023 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, tachometer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.